Neb here from Neb Miller Media. Today we are at ArtNeun in Braeside in Melbourne's southeast. What we have behind us is 170 custom Porsches parked on display in what is the calendar year's probably #1 Porsche car meet here in Melbourne, Australia. Behind me, as you can see, we're in a bit of an industrial estate, and the philosophy between ArtNeun is to bring in the harmony between beauty and industry, or heavy industry, which is exactly what a Porsche signifies. The beauty and elegance of design meets some serious horsepower and some serious engineering. As usual, I've been out and about shooting, getting the content for you so you can sit back and enjoy. And I really do hope that you will enjoy watching as much as I love shooting. PGY Tech have provided me with a beautiful backpack to keep all my camera gear snug, secure, and with me at all times. Creatives, let me put you on game. If you're looking for a fantastic backpack to get around with all your camera needs, lenses, drone, tripod, monopod, batteries, everything you need, check out PGY Tech. Tell them Neb Miller sent you. They'll look after you. Now, without further ado, let's get involved. Boom.